I'm going to be listening to Soul Coughing Super Bon Bon. This is my first time hearing about this band or this song. So, ooh. The instrumental sounds like the Tom Waits song almost. Ooh, listen to that bass. Is it an upright bass? Let me know in the comments if it is an upright bass. Woo.
Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through.
The lead singer sounds like the lead singer from Matchbox 20. Let me know who the lead singer is in this band. I'm loving this.
If I stole somebody else's wave to fly up, and if I rose up with the avenue behind me, some kind of verb, some kind of moving thing, something unseen, some hand is motioning.
I'm loving the voice and the beat. Oh wow. Man, this is on fire. I did not expect him to start like rapping, and I love his voice is great for it too. Let me know in the comments when this came out. This is absolutely on fire. And that bass and the drums.
And by the phone, I live in fear. Sheer chance will draw you in to here. Too fat, so much blood to clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine shop. Change in a song. Super Bon Bon, Super Bon Bon, Super Bon Bon. Too fat, so much blood to clean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine shop. Change in a song. Super Bon Bon, Super Bon Bon, Super Bon Bon. A 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 Super Bon 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 Bon.
Woo! What is that noise? That's gotta be a guitar. Woo!
Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move up side and let the man go through. Let the man go through.
Wow. That was a bit different. Kind of made me think of like the songs that came out in the 90s. Especially just that beat, that instrumental reminded me of a Tom Waits song. But his voice makes me think of the lead singer of the band Matchbox 20. Like it's very similar in like their pronunciation and how they enunciate. The rapping part was incredible. I love stuff like that. It sounds kind of like old school rap, and I love it. I reacted to the lyric video because I wanted to see the lyrics. And I was paying attention to the lyrics, but I'm still really not sure what it means, though. Let me know in the comments what you think the song means, or if you have any information or ideas about the song. Let me know in the comments. And also, I'm curious of what year this came out, too. Man, tell me if that was an upright bass, because that's what it sounded like to me. That was incredible. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I'm not really sure what the meaning is, and I hate it when I can't find anything on it. I looked it up earlier to try to find a meaning behind it, just a summary that I could go by and give my opinion on, but I couldn't really find anything. But that was absolutely epic. I loved everything about that. The instruments, the voice, everything. That was like, I can't believe I have never heard this before. I love this, and I'm going to have to listen to more from that band because I had never heard of the band either. But thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell to get notified for new and upcoming reaction videos. My Facebook is Have a Very Nice Day. And as always, thank you all for watching and keep on rocking.